Sheila Pineda drilling that one into the center. This one, Kinlog twisting her hand for the cut shot, giving them a 16-11 lead. Of course, there was the Zapanta attack also earlier. And Coach Roger Gorayev furious in that timeout, which wasn't on TV.
For the Lady Falcons.
Obviously.
That's right.
As we took a break.
Ateneo just not in the right, the usual Ateneo game.
Sharp serve by Pao Soriano. 6-point lead reinstalled by the Lady Falcons.
And Ateneo is letting Adamson play their game and go to their offense.
Ferrer was there. Hervasio opens up to Kainglet again. Floor defense of the white shirts are solid today so far. Hervasio, miscommunication. It's happened a lot here in the first set for Ateneo.
Chance for Ateneo to set up.
Kachi was checked. Kainglet again. This time using Guevara.
Again, same way she scored a while ago, using the blocker to get that point. But Ateneo not as aggressive as we see them.
Kakalituhan pa.
Oh, it's actually the Lady Falcons who are more aggressive so far in this game.
Back set. Zapanta again finding the open spot in zone 1. Looking very sharp.
That's cross-court hit by Zapanta. Look at her go all the way for the approach.
Oh, beautiful. Textbook. Set up by Makatuno.
For the Lady Falcons.
Phil again this time. Puts it away. Down in the center.
13-18.
Is keeping Ateneans afloat in this first set.
You know, I said when Ateneo faced FEU, they concentrated on offense. They concentrated on, at least in training, I'm talking about in training, they were working on a lot of combinations because they knew they were going to be in a shootout against FEU, to use the expression. As Kainglet was blocked there. Today, in training, they said that they concentrated on defense, but it's not looking like it right now so far. Mosey, let's listen in.
Nyo ba'y pumapalo si Phil? I-coverage ninyo? Pinanonood nyo kasi akala nyo basta pinalo ni Phil mamamatay. Sinabi ko na bago tayo nag-umpisa, matibay ang depensa niyan eh. Yun naman talaga ang kanilang korte, dumipensa eh. So anong gagawin natin? Tutungangaan natin sila. Abay, didepensa rin naman din tayo. May opensa tayo eh. Kailangan doon depensa rin tayo. Bola.
We know, for many years, Mosey, yan ang calling card ni Coach Mami Dulce.
Yung kanilang floor defense, same way UE is. Yan ang mga defense specialists when it comes to floor defense. Kasi nga, they're not so tall, so dun sila nagko-concentrate.
Ferrer goes to Kainglet again. That's over.
They've been going to Phil, and it has been delivering. But you have to remember that the other team, the opponent, will also adjust. That's why the defense is on Phil.
And that's why Coach Roger is sending in a shock trooper. Ella De Jesus will come in for Phil Kainglet. Is the absence of Gretchen Ho so far affecting them also, in your opinion, Mosey?
Yes, because I would think that Ferrer would have more confidence in Gretchen Ho than giving the ball to Nakachi on the middle for the quick hit.
Ferrer again finding a spot. Yes, Mosey.
Gretchen kasi has also that running hit.
Yes, he has developed. That's right. Now, De Jesus is in. That means ang ka-diagonal kasi ni Phil, si Alisa Valdez. So Valdez is on the front line. We'll see what happens now to Ateneo's offense. They're down 6. Pineda. Look at that torpedo-like attack.
We have Pineda with a very powerful attack from the get-go. You give out one blocker. Look at this. Only one blocker. So obviously that would be the result.
Maria Teresa Pizza.
Patuloy ang pinapakita dito ni Sheila Pineda from the NU match. She has won the Best Player Award twice already so far this year. Dan checked. And again, Ferrer salvaging situations with a couple
21.
of wily plays. This has been her specialty since her rookie year. And Zapanta too slow to get to it. Fooled by the fake. But the lead is still a comfortable 6 points as Paul Soriano gets it to 7.
22.
Been scoring at will this first set.
You're right. You're right.
Almost all of their spikes scored.
Or unchallenged or kulang sa
One.
challenge.
Kung Nick, late for the block, kung hindi, malayo sa net yung block.
Sent back by the block. Hervasio again. Mataas ng konti, but they score.
Sees the hole.
22-16. Let's see if they make a little run here, but Adamson is looking sharp.
Leotan on the line to serve for Ateneo. Let's see.
16 serving 22.
Soriano, designated game captain for Adams.
Final game.
Beata
First round
for
of
Ateneo.
eliminations for the 74th season of the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Not a good sign.
Adamson needing only 2 more points to take out this first set.
Service. Number 14,
And the
May
battle of the
Makatu.
birds of prey.
Combination play. Oh, that was saved by Hervasio. Nabigyan ng regalo si Z. And she makes good use of it. This girl, since her rookie year, has always had power.
Going cross court on that hit.
Valdez, serving for Ateneo.
Valdez hasn't made much noise here.
Oh,
Ateneo.
but an ace
18.
for Eliza Valdez.
Boy, they needed that, didn't they?
Oh, yes.
One of the better servers here. She's number 5 ranking
Timeout.
in the top
Lady
10
Falcons
so far.
Score 23. Adamson 18.
Okay, tinginan nyo, pag pumito na yung referee, humanda na kayo. Ha? Ang laki ng hakbang mo, hindi ka na uli makakahakbang kasi nakalak na dito yun eh. Maliliit lang. Yung tama lang, yung normal. Ha? Okay?
Okay.
Mm.
Ayan, 4 ka na, tumba na siya. Naka-chase na, di ba?
5 yan, oh, 5. Dalawa na lang kukunin natin. Dalawa yung ratio. Yun yung ratio. Okay? Dalawa na lang yan. Pao.
Okay na, sige.
Okay? Oh.
Coach Mami Dulce, you know, I just remember these two schools are the only two schools who have not won a UAP championship in the women's division in the history of the women's volleyball competition. Adamson was close.
Yes, against FEU.
Had 1 foot in the door as Valdez gets 2 points off the service.
19.
2 straight points off the service, which they need.
In 2 different ways.
Adamson had a 1-0 lead against FEU, but Rachel Dakis, the fighter from FEU, just roared back in that series to take the championship. Ateneo's not been in the finals.
Atuno again, digging it.
Ferrer able to keep it alive. De Jesus adjusts. They're down 4, talking about Ateneo. Now down 5. Coach Rogers asking.
Oh, it's an overreaching violation called.
Oh, they got lucky.
Referee.
Not lucky there. And explain again, Mosey, yung rule para doon sa mga hindi nakakaintindi.
Yung, I think, lumagpas yung kamay ng isang player or from the back line yung isang player at lumagpas yung kamay niya sa net. So either of the two, the referee now explaining to Kinlo being the team captain. So volleyball kasi ganyan yung team
Correct.
captain lang ang pwedeng kumausap sa referee.
Point is settled. As Kinlog has explained to everybody what
Let's see that once again.
23. Eliza Valdez.
play resumes live. Ito yung tinawag.
So lumabas yung kamay ni Makatuno being on the second line.
Well, back to
being a
live.
backliner.
Back to live action, Mosey. 3 straight points for Valdez, and it ends there and gives a set point to Adamson University here.
Now, set point advantage. Serving
Pao Soriano with the opportunity. Lazaro takes it. Ferrer, reverse set. Not too much power there. Zapanta looking to close it out.
Outside shot by
It's
Zapata.
long. No touch.
No touch, so point goes to Ateneo. Still alive.
Zia Basho,
For the serve.
former Saint Scholastica standout
Making
with the
sure
Saint
that-
serve.
Making sure that went in as that ball goes out again for Zapata.
Breathing down the necks now are the Lady Eagles. 22-24. Coach Mami will... Coach na, Mami pa, no? Mami will call the timeout. Let's listen in.
Okay. Isa na lang kukunin natin, dalawa pa yan. Ganito lang yan, ha? Huwag kayong magdumali. Kalma lang. Take your time.
Saan dadalhin yung
Kasi hindi kayo makapag-isip, eh.
Sa gitna
Ha?
kasi,
Okay.
tapos spiker.
Diskarte, ha? Okay, handa dyan. Jump on. Okay?
Tapos block tayo.
Okay, okay, okay? Okay, isa na lang, isa na lang.
That's pretty much to stop the momentum.
That's right. Off the server. But on the other side, Herbacio making sure that she doesn't go anymore for risky serve.
Yeah.
By this first set. 0.
Oh, but umatras siya ngayon. Umatras ng konti, Mos.
Tignan natin.
Ay, umatras lang.
Oh, and...
Dapat umatras pa siya ng konti. Because she gave a free point. Kasi yung service niya prior to that, she was on the line eh. She was right behind the
Yes,
line.
that's right.
Kaya sabi ko, kala ko she was gonna go for the jump serve. Well, that's over and done with. And Adamson takes a set off Ateneo, something that only FEU and LaSalle has done here in this tournament. They win it 25-22. Back in a moment here, Studio 23 for second set action.